Hello friends, is your car showing check engine code P0452? If you've noticed difficulty while refueling, a strong fuel smell, or failed emissions tests, then this code might be the culprit. In this video, I'll explain what P0452 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it properly. Let's get started. The P0452 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System Pressure Sensor Low Input. Your vehicle's Evaporative Emission Control (EVAP) system prevents harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The Fuel Tank Pressure Sensor, or FTPS, monitors vapor pressure inside the fuel tank and sends this data to the engine control unit, often called the ECU. If the sensor detects an abnormally low pressure signal, the ECU triggers the P0452 error code. Common symptoms of P0452 include the check engine light being on difficulty refueling, as the fuel pump shuts off frequently, a strong fuel smell near the vehicle, poor fuel economy, and a failed emissions test. Ignoring this code can lead to fuel vapor leaks, incorrect pressure readings, and potential damage to the EVAP system. To diagnose P0452, you need to locate these key EVAP system components. Fuel Tank Pressure Sensor, or FTPS, is located on or inside the fuel tank, usually attached to the fuel pump assembly. The EVAP purge valve, also known as the purge solenoid, is found near the intake manifold, controlling vapor flow from the charcoal canister to the engine. The EVAP vent valve, or vent solenoid, is located near the fuel tank or charcoal canister, regulating vapor release. The charcoal canister is positioned close to the fuel tank, under the rear of the vehicle, storing fuel vapors. Lastly, the EVAP hoses and wiring run between the fuel tank, ECU, and EVAP system components. Here's a little tip. Always check your car's service manual for exact sensor locations specific to your vehicle model. Alright, let's dive into the common causes of the P0452 error code. First up, we have the faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, or FTPS for short. This sensor might be sending incorrect voltage signals or not responding properly. Next, damaged or loose EVAP hoses. These can be cracked, disconnected, or even blocked, leading to incorrect pressure readings. Then, there are wiring or connector issues. Corroded, damaged, or shorted wires between the FTPS and ECU can cause a faulty signal. Another cause could be a defective EVAP vent valve. If this valve is stuck closed, it can prevent proper vapor pressure regulation. And lastly, though it's a rare case, an ECU software malfunction. A faulty ECU may misinterpret sensor data, which can trigger the error. Now let's talk about how to fix the P0452 error code. Here are the steps you can follow. Step 1. Use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0452 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Locate the fuel tank pressure sensor, which is either on or inside the fuel tank. Step 3. Inspect the sensor's wiring and connectors for any damage or corrosion. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the fuel tank pressure sensor. If the readings are out of range, replace it. Step 5. Check all EVAP hoses for leaks, cracks, or disconnections. Step 6. Test the EVAP vent valve and purge solenoid to ensure they're operating properly. Step 7. Clear the code with an OBD scanner and take a test drive to verify the fix. The P0452 code is often caused by a faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, damaged hoses, or wiring issues. Fixing it restores proper EVAP function, improves fuel efficiency, and prevents emissions problems. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0186, Fuel Temperature Sensor A Circuit Range Performance, and P0187, Fuel Temperature Sensor B Circuit Low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.